trying to entertain my good neighbors.
You've entertained yourself more than anybody else.
No, I'm trying to entertain my good neighbors. Miss Mamie is my good neighbor.
You entertaining all right.
I love Miss Mamie.
Especially when you kick your shoes off.
Actually, he ran up out his shoe.
He was backing up trying to run back. What, baby? Look, isn't that pretty?
That wasn't right. Oh, that was such.
Don't get over there by him. You come over here and start the fireworks.
Let me get my camera out. Hold up. Alright.
Yeah, me too.
I got that on video.
That was pretty.
Here's what she brought.
She brought the whole damn thing.
She said, fuck it.